Are you tired of manually changing transit times? Or are you looking to improve the accuracy of the delivery times for your customers? Then let me take you through the Shipping Settings Automation Tool, or SSA for short. With SSA, you can provide more accurate delivery times while eliminating the need to manually estimate different transit times to different regions. The first step is to log into Seller Central, hover over the Settings tool in the top right-hand corner of your Seller Central homepage screen. When you hover over, you'll select Shipping Settings. Select Create New Shipping Template in the top left-hand corner of the Shipping Settings page screen. You'll then select your domestic or international shipping warehouse address depending on where you're shipping from and select Next. In step 2 of Fulfillment Preferences, select the carrier that will be delivering your orders and click Next. Once you've reviewed your selections, press Confirm. In this page now, you can enter the shipping template name at the top left-hand corner, as well as select your shipping rate model. You'll be either selecting a price per weight base model or a price banded rate model. Once you've reviewed your handling time settings and your shipping options settings and rates, click Save at the bottom of the page. Now that you've created your template, you'll be able to assign SKUs to this shipping template by selecting either option A or B on the shipping settings page here. One more tip, if you want to change an existing template, select Edit Template and then select the Shipping Settings Automation toggle. Once you've done so, now you'll be able to review and make changes to this existing shipping template. For more information on SSA, search for Shipping Settings Automation in Seller Central. This concludes our SSA training. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.